Hi, my name is Holly Harris, and I'm here to present on behalf of Team 2, where learning meets inspiration to sustain our future. What I'd like to do is move you to the challenge, because that's what grounds our mission, which is where learning meets inspiration to sustain our future through authentic and purposeful local and community engagement. And then I'm going to move you to Schools of the Future today. We're situated in Southeast Asia and Africa, and we have a grade band for transition grouping designed to prepare students for local technology and skills-based careers, global STEAM industry, which I'll talk about later on, and preparation for advanced studies. We have a grouping of ages between 12 through 16. We thought we needed to be cognizant of the area and prepare our students for the work setting at around the ages of 16 and 17. So next we have 4 areas of emphasis, and these include Sustainability and Energy Conservation Center, the Community Garden and Natural Studies, Global and Social Learning Network, and then the Innovations Design and Prototyping Lab. And within these areas, the entire school will depend on our 4 areas of emphasis. These are the focal points, and it's what sets us apart. In the Energy Conservation Center, students will engage in play, and the play activities will include different options to release the energy of students and incorporate that energy into running the entire school. Activities include a merry-go-round that we talked about at the executive weekend, which will power the windmills to create energy. A zip line will be used to travel from place to place within the school, and there will also be solar panels which will act as backup to the student-created energy. The 4 areas work independently and interdependently to promote sustainability of their schools and community. Next, the design of the school. We have the prototyping lab, and that's a collaborative problem-solving environment to develop community for prototyping community-based activities. So then we have a catwalk design to the thinking center for a balcony perspective on new design in this area. We have the green energy technology fueled by students in the Energy Conservation Center, where physical activity and play center for kinesthetic learners which will encourage learners to gain health and well-being focus. The atrium solar energy panels in the community garden will help sustain the energy needs. And then advanced technology workstations in the thinking center and prototyping lab areas, with additional technology hubs throughout the 3 areas. The exterior has a community center for local business partnerships, an open campus setting with outdoor education center. We have the production within the work skills arena, which will give back to the community. So if there's a drought, students will learn about drought-resistant corn. There will be prototyping, which will be implemented in the test area here. The meditation and exercise area in the community garden to help focus on mind and body. And then there's an outdoor education area for drumming circles, dance, and other ways to form creative expression. Our partner Michael has created these designs based off of our group communication and interactions, along with our work during the executive weekends in Philly and in Harrisburg. Next, we have the conservation-focused curriculum. Everything at our school is hinged on the 4 areas of emphasis, which I just discussed. And then finally, community partnerships for STEAM collaborative resources. The STEAM approach, with the addition of the medicines, will be the focus throughout this school. So we have the science, the technology, and business applications, engineering design, arts partnership with museums and local artists, along with tapping into the local resources. Mathematics, banking, and investors, providing funding for future workforce inspiration. And then medicine, medical and hospital partnerships for research opportunities in community health. Again, to remain cognizant of the area, we thought that it was important to add the extra M within the STEAM approach. Thank you.